Hi, I'm Josh Heinrich with Tactical Tech, and today I'm going to be inventorying this box using this barcode scanner and the scan to update function through AIMS 3.0. The scenario is we're redeploying, we're getting ready to pull off an exercise, and we're packing everything up, and my VoIP phone box is missing one VoIP phone. What I'm going to do is scan all of these serial numbers, check off what I have, and through the process of elimination figure out what I'm missing. And then I can track it down, by location and figure out what's going on with it and why it's not in my box. So in order to do that, I go to Inventory, Scan to Update, and this is where I'm going to be scanning barcodes into, and all this other header information tells AIMS what exactly to do with that information. In this case, I'm just going to mark the item as inventory. So I'm going to click over here in this box, and I've already scanned these 8 here and these 4 here, so I'll just scan this next item here.
Got it.
And that voice that you hear in the background is your old pal Josh Heinrich helping you out with your inventories, telling you what happened with that barcode scan so you don't got to look up in your computer every time you scan something in. Did you notice that it brought up my device and marked it as inventoried, and we can hit this tab over here and bring up the box inventory that shows you everything else that should be in the same box associated with that item. And we got 1, 2, 3 VoIP phones that we didn't check off as inventoried yet, so let's click back in that box and continue on. Get this next item.
Got it.
Got it.
Got it.
Got it too. And the VoIP phone that I'm missing is this one down here. It's not checked off, so that's telling me it's over in the kennel. So I asked the guy in the kennel, hey, what happened to this phone? Where is it? They said, oh yeah, and it got chewed up by one of the dogs, so we threw it away. So we got to basically replace that phone. We can go ahead and delete this phone out of the inventory or put it through the DRMO process. I'm just going to make it easy because we usually don't DRMO phones anyway. At least not with official paperwork. Just turn in. So we deleted that out, and what I'm going to do in order to get this new item in, I'll scan the box, tell it what box it's going into.
Change selected box.
Then I'll scan the part number, tell it what kind of part it is or what kind of a device it is.
Change default to script ID.
Then I can go ahead and scan in the MAC address, which I use as a serial number for VoIP phones. Just makes it easier.
Item not found. Adding a selected to script ID.
It'll add it in as a selected script ID into the proper VoIP box. Even mark it as inventory. I'll move over to my next box. I'll go ahead and scan that in.
Change selected box.
And I can start working on this box. I have one towel already inventoried and in the box already, and these the durable expendable scan options tell the system how it wants to inventory durable and expandable stuff. And right now I'm just going to add in a couple new towels that I just bought into PX. Got a total of 2 of them.
Quantity updated. Quantity updated.
And you notice that it went from 1 to 3 on the total of fabric towel bath towels. Go ahead and throw those things in there, and for the next option I'm going to choose re-inventory the box, because I'm just going to re-inventory all the other items that are currently in there, such as Coke cans.
Quantity reset. Quantity updated. Quantity updated.
And it counts up 3 Coca-Cola cans out of the 6 that I used to have. Get the same with this.
Quantity reset.
Same with hair dryer.
Quantity reset.
And it counts those in. After that, I can just go ahead from the same form, inventory all the stuff that didn't have a barcode, such as my windshield ice scraper. And I'm done inventorying that box.